Experiencing a frozen, black, or unresponsive screen in your Tesla Model 3 can be frustrating. As of January 2026, these issues are often software related and can be resolved with simple troubleshooting steps. This video will guide you through the common causes and fixes, including hard reboots and software updates. Frozen screens in the Tesla Model 3 often result from software bugs within the infotainment system. These bugs can cause the display to hang, especially when the system is overloaded with data processing. Memory leaks are another common cause, where the system fails to properly release memory after tasks complete. Over time, this builds up and can lead to screen freezes, particularly during long drives. Multitasking conflicts occur when running multiple functions simultaneously, such as autopilot alongside media streaming or navigation. This can overwhelm the processor and cause the screen to become unresponsive. Black screens may appear after abrupt shutdowns, voltage spikes from electrical issues, or interruptions during operations. These sudden power fluctuations can disrupt the display module. Firmware updates, while necessary, can sometimes interrupt the display's processes mid-update, leading to temporary black screens until the system recovers. Unresponsive displays might stem from calibration errors in the touchscreen, where the sensors no longer accurately detect touch inputs, requiring recalibration. Electrical interference can affect the touchscreen's capacitive sensors, causing them to misinterpret signals and result in unresponsive behavior, especially in areas with strong electromagnetic fields. The gold standard fix for Tesla Model 3 screen issues is a hard reboot. This method is simple and effective, resolving most problems without professional help. To perform a hard reboot, locate the scroll wheels on either side of your steering wheel. These controls are used for various functions like volume and navigation. Press and hold both scroll wheels simultaneously. You'll need to hold them for 10 to 15 seconds. This forces a complete power cycle of the infotainment system. Keep holding until you see the Tesla logo appear on the screen. This indicates the system is rebooting and will restore normal function. This process doesn't affect your vehicle's driving functions, so it's safe to do while parked. According to user surveys, this hard reboot resolves 85% of screen-related issues in Tesla Model 3 vehicles. Tesla continuously improves its software to address glitches and enhance performance. To keep your Model 3 running smoothly, ensure it's updated to the latest version. The latest stable release, version 12.5.1 or higher as of late 2025, includes enhanced error handling protocols that significantly reduce screen freezes. To check for updates, access the Settings menu on your car's touchscreen display. Look for the Software section in the Settings to see available updates and install them. If a hard reboot doesn't resolve the screen issue, try a soft reboot using the power button. Hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds until the screen restarts. You can also access the Service menu for built-in health checks. This menu can help identify underlying software issues affecting the display. Keep in mind that constant screen issues could point towards a hardware problem. In such cases, professional assessment is needed to diagnose and repair any faulty components. If the previous troubleshooting steps haven't resolved your Tesla Model 3 screen issues, it's time to seek professional help from Tesla Service. Schedule a service appointment at your nearest Tesla dealership. Their certified technicians have the expertise to handle persistent problems. Hardware failures are rare, affecting only about 5% of screen issues, but they may require component replacement like ribbon cables or capacitors. Tesla's advanced diagnostic tools can accurately identify the root cause of your problem. Remember that aftermarket modifications can void your warranty and potentially worsen screen problems. Always consult professionals for modifications. Prevention is key to avoiding Tesla Model 3 screen issues. Start by keeping your software updated through over-the-air updates, which patch bugs and improve system stability. Avoid extreme temperatures, particularly heat, which can overheat the infotainment system and lead to freezes or black screens. Park in shaded areas and use climate control wisely. Regularly access the Service menu to check your car's health and run diagnostics. This helps catch potential issues early before they cause screen problems. Be mindful of running too many apps at once, as this can strain the system and lead to unresponsiveness. Close unused applications to maintain performance. Tesla is improving its AI-driven diagnostics, which will soon autocorrect minor bugs and reduce the need for manual interventions in future updates. Looking ahead, Tesla is implementing proactive AI-driven diagnostics that can predict and prevent screen freezes before they occur. Hardware upgrades are being phased in, including OLED displays that offer greater reliability and better performance. Experts predict that screen problems will be nearly eliminated by 2030 through fully autonomous infotainment systems. By 2026, Tesla introduced FSD-supervised updates that monitor infotainment health in real time, predicting freezes based on usage patterns. This makes the Model 3 a more robust platform overall.